learning all about the hungry caterpillar, and I'm going to do a little bit of maths with you now. Now, on the floor, I have drawn 2 tens frames, and I've got, oh, it's very heavy, lots of apples that the hungry caterpillar might have wanted to eat from the story. And I have got some little stones and I've written some numbers on. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose a number, and then we're going to count out the apples and put them in the tens frame, okay? And then we might even see if we can write a little number sentence to go with it. Right, the first number that I'm going to choose is, can you tell me what it is? That's right, it's number 8, okay? So I'm going to get all of my apples, and then I'm going to use this top tens frame to count out 8 apples. Now we know when we use the tens frame, we've got to fill up the top row first, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and how many did I need? I needed 8. So I've got 5. Oh look, my top row is full now, so I know that every time my top row is full, I've always got 5 on that top row. So 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I've got 8 all together. Oh, I've got 2 gaps on my tens frame, so I know that 2 less than 10 is 8, because if my tens frame was full, there would be 10 all together. Now I'm going to put these apples away, and I'm going to choose another stone with a different number on. I think this time I'm going to choose this one here. That's number 9. Oh, now we know what's 1 less than 10. 1 less than 10 is 9. Oh, I wonder if we can guess how many gaps there will be on our tens frame then. Let's have a look and see. So we need to get 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our top row is full, so we know we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 more is 9. And look, we were right. We've got 1 gap, so 1 less than 10 equals 9. Now I'm going to put those ones away, and this time I'm going to choose a tricky number this time. This time I'm choosing this number here. So this is number 11. Now I know for number 11 we need 1 10. So that means my top 10 frame is going to be full. So let's see if we can count out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, 5. If we've got 5 and then we add 5 more, double 5 equals 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got the 110. Ooh, how many more do I need to get now? I've got 110, and this is 1, 1. So in my next 10 frame, I'm going to start at the top corner over here, and I need 1 more apple. So now I don't need to count all these again, because I know in our top 10 frame we have got 10, and then 1 more equals 11. Now I'm going to make a little number sentence for this. I wonder if you can do it too at home. So how many did we have in our top 10 frame? We had 10, because we've got 1 10 to make the number 11. So I'm going to write the number 10, and then we're adding, so I'm going to write the plus sign. 10 add, how many did we add? We added 1, didn't we? We added 1 1, so I'm going to write 1 10 add 1 equals, we made the number 11. 11. Now I'm going to rub that out, and we're going to do another one. Oh, I think that was too easy peasy for us. Let's see if I can choose an even trickier number for us to do. I think we'll put those ones there. This time, I'm going to make this number 14. So, my top 10 frame, that can be full again because we know we've got 1 10. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 1 10, and how many ones do we need to get this time? I think we need 4 ones. So in my next 10 frame, I'm going to start here again, and I'm going to add 4 more apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, let's see if we can write a number sentence for the number 14. So my top 10 frame is full. So I know that I have got 10 in my 10 frame. 10, and then we're adding again, so I'm going to do the add sign. And then how many ones did we add? We added 4 ones, so I'm going to write number 4 equals, so we don't need to start counting again from the start here because we know we've got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so it's 1 10 and then 4 ones. Right, this time I'm going to keep my top 10 frame full. Okay, we're going to do another teen number. Now I think this time we will look at this number. This is a tricky number, isn't it? So this is the number 13. Okay, so my top 10 frame is already full. We've already got 1 10. So how many more do I need to add to my next 10 frame? I need 3 more apples. So 1, 2, 3. So this time I'm going to get my whiteboard and my pen. So we know the top 10 frame, that is full. So we've got 10, we've got 1 10, and then we're going to add, and how many did we add this time? We added 3, so I'm going to add 3 equals, so get number 10 in your head, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we've got 1 10 and 3 ones. Okay, let's rub that one out this time. I think I've got 1 more for us to have the number 17. So I'm going to keep the top 10 frame full again. So we've already got the 1 10. How many more ones do I need to get here? I need 7 more apples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 5. How many more do we need until we get to 7? 5, 6, 7. Oh, we only need 2 more apples. 6, 7. Wow, that's a lot of apples there, isn't it? Okay, so we've got 1 10 and then 7 ones. Let's see if we can make our number sentence for the number 17. So our top 10 frame is full, so we know that we've got 10. We've got 10 apples. We've got 1 10, and we're going to add, and how many ones did we add this time? We added 7. We've got 5 along the top row, 5, 6, 7. So 10 plus 7, so I'll get number 10 in your head again. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I'm going to write 1, we've got 1 10 and then 7 ones. Now boys and girls, you might want to do it like this at home. So I've just drawn a tens frame on the ground with some chalk, or I know that on our home learning sheet there is a link where you can print off a tens frame, and then there's lots of apples, and you might want to cut them out and you might want to stick them on your tens frame to make lots of different number problems to make the different teen numbers. Okay, I will see you again next week to make another number fun lesson for us all. Bye bye boys and girls.